Another epic unboxing video. We're going to open up Iquazú. Not really sure. This is a lovely game. We have little gems to play with. This is going to be a fun game to play. Let's open this thing up. It's published by HABA, which make amazing games for little kids, but they're fun enough that adults can play. I don't know, HABA makes good games. All right, let's look at this baby here. How exciting. Oh, look at this, a nice little, that's pretty nice, isn't it, how they do the color tabs like that. I like that. This is awesome. Thanks, HABA. A bag full of baggies. So that's about 5 baggies. Overkill, but that's great. The cards. Little water tokens. These gems. Let's look at these gems. These are what's pretty. Beautiful gems, guys. Look at that. Wow. I can go sell them on the black market and be rich. I don't know what this is. It's a stick, so if your wife gets AP, you can go. Just kidding. I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out. And then a whole bunch of punchies, and it's just wrapped up. And then, what? Game night approved. That is cool. Anyway, I feel like we should open this. Maybe. Make the video at least longer than a minute. All right. Let's open this thing up. That's where I saw this game at, by the way. It was on game night. It's pretty cool. Anyway, whole bunch of shit to punch out. That's Iquazú. This is gonna be a great game. You got a lot of work to do.